Meaning of encase.
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 Encase. The verb encase means to completely cover or surround something, often with a protective layer. The result of encasing is that the object or item is shielded from outside elements that may otherwise damage or harm it. Encasing can also provide additional support or reinforcement to fragile or delicate objects, helping to prevent breakage or wear and tear. Encasing can be done using a variety of materials such as plastic, metal, or glass depending on the intended use and level of protection required.